Hello you guys, welcome back to Loudly Car Drivers. As you know, or you don't know, but last week I started it with a renovation of my car that I bought on an online auction house. The car, this one, the Peugeot 106 from 1995. So the beginning was the interior, the floor, clean up, and now we are going to do the seats. So welcome back, and if you didn't see the first one, then you can click on here or there, and then you can see how it started. Okay, now let's start with the seats. Now the first thing I'm going to do is cleaning up these rails from the seat. So the dirt is away and it goes smoothly. Next, cleaning up the seats. So you guys, now we are going to clean the seats. As you can see, they're a little bit dirty, but I'm going to use this clean text. So I hope this will work. But yeah, that we will see later. So now we will clean. And already you can see it's going away. It seems that they are going away. But yeah, I will going to use my suck up machine from last week. So let's see how clean I can get these seats. So the first seat is done, and I'm quite happy about it. It's actually decent than before. It's still a bit wet here. This side is still wet, but yeah, it's quite nice. I like it. So up to the next one. You see there, and this one, and this one. Okay, still need to do a lot of work, but as you can see, it's actually clean. Great, 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 great. So as you can see, guys, the seats are clean or cleaner than before. So that one is still wet. This is done. They are drying in the sun, and the other one is also done. So yeah, that's clean for me. So you guys, as you can see, the seats are done. They are clean or cleaner, but I'm happy so that they are clean, and yes, it's now up to the next thing. So I will see you next week, same time, same place, same car. Bye bye.